How many opportunities have we missed? Mga outfits na hindi na natin nasuot, mga hobbies na hindi na natin na-try, dreams that we never pursued just because we were afraid. Kung isipan, pakiramdam ko napakarami na rin nating isinatabi ng mga bagay na gusto naman talaga nating gawin. Not because we didn't want them enough, but because fear convinced us otherwise. Kasi kung iisipin, napakarami naman talagang pwedeng ikatakot. Fear of being judged, fear na baka mag-fail, fear that people will have something to say behind our backs, fear of not being good enough, and fear of the unknown. And ang dami pang fear. Ang dami pang pwedeng katakutan. And little by little, I guess those fear become the reason why we stay where we are instead of going after the life that we actually want. Siguro yun yung nagiging rason kung bakit tayo palaging nag-hesitate, kung bakit palagi tayong naghihintay. Naghihintay for the right time, naghihintay na maybe some people will learn kindness and maiwasan yung pagsasabi ng mga masasamang words, ng hindi magagandang words, waiting for more confidence, for reassurance, for permission na hindi naman dapat natin hinihingi sa ibang tao. Because, here's the thing, we spend so much time preparing for the worst na nakakalimutan natin na meron din namang another side ng possibility. You know, if may negative, meron ding positive. What if people won't judge you at all? What if ikaw yung maging dahilan para ma-inspire sila or para magkaroon sila ng courage to pursue what they actually want? Alam nyo, we don't need anyone's validation. And I know mahirap, pero I'm just here to remind you that this is your life. Do whatever makes you happy. You only live once. Yun nga yung motto ko eh. You only live once, so just go after it. As long as you know na wala ka namang nasasaktan o naapakan na ibang tao, do it.